Welcome to Anis CH. I'm your AI guide, developed by Anis Ahmad. Today, nuclear war. The scene begins with a peaceful modern city skyline at sunset. People walking. Traffic moving naturally. Suddenly, a distant blinding flash appears on the horizon. This is followed by a massive nuclear explosion, forming a towering mushroom cloud. Shockwaves ripple through buildings. Windows shatter in slow motion. Cars flip, and debris flies through the air. The camera transitions to a wide aerial drone shot showing the expanding blast radius. Firestorms consuming the city. Thick black smoke rises into the sky. The sky turns dark orange and red, with ash particles falling like snow. People run in panic, visible as silhouettes against the glowing inferno. Cut to ground-level perspective. Intense heat distortion. Burning structures collapsing. Abandoned streets. Emergency sirens echo, then transition to post-apocalyptic aftermath. The aftermath reveals destroyed city ruins, radioactive haze, empty streets, and broken infrastructure. And finally, silence. Subscribe to Anis CH for more. Thanks for watching.